What's up, guys? It's Wednesday, so it's time for What's in the Shop. We're gonna start over here in this bay. We've got Justin from Horsepower Obsessed. He's in the shop on Wednesday. He's here a lot, but I feel like you never make it to What's in the Shop Wednesday. So that's weird, but he's here today. On the lift, we've got a Rubicon. This is a 392 one, right? Cool, so this Wrangler's getting paint protection on the whole front end, as well as the rear fender flare portion. That part gets beat up really, really quickly. Now it's protected. Shelby truck, this thing's cool. We did PPF and ceramic on this last year or the year before. It's back for an annual checkup. All of this was custom cut. There are no patterns for the front of this truck. Genesis SUV, this one is here for XPEL Fusion Plus. You can see Caleb is doing the wheels. Check those wheels out, by the way. Cool design on those, I like that. We're doing the brake calipers, of course, and inside barrel of the wheels. We always do that with our Fusion coatings. Over here, we've got a Dodge Charger. And this is here for a polish and a coating. And we're debating if we're doing a one-stage polish or a full paint correction. We're leaving that up to the customer. We like to do full paint corrections whenever possible. We had a tape line down the middle of this paint. It's pretty rough, and we polished out one side of it. Came out really good, but he's now polished the other side, so I can't show you the 50/50 anymore. Another Rubicon. This one is not the 392, but it is Blackout colors, so we thank you for that. And this one's getting paint protection film on the whole front end, grille, hood, fenders, fender flares, and the A-pillar piece around the windshield, and the wear and tear package. So the door cups where your fingernails hit, the door edges, and the sills where your feet hit, getting in and out. And the Tinners just pulled a car out. I don't remember which one it was, but something. And outside we've got Justin's truck from Horsepower Obsessed, the ZR2. We're not doing anything to it. We've done everything we can possibly do to that thing, but it's here, so we figured we'd show it off. If you haven't checked out his channel yet, if you don't watch us all the time, maybe you don't know who he is. Horsepower Obsessed, he's a good friend of ours. We have an F-150. We did some paint protection film on the front and rear bumpers of this. And this Silverado got window tint. Looks like the front windows and the visor. And even though there's no Corvette here this week, there is a Tesla. It's always one or the other, if not both. And this Model Y got a paint correction and a XPEL Fusion coating, and it's ready to go home. The Mazda Miata got some protection on the front bumper and the mirrors. No more rock chips for that car. And over here, the guys are working on an annual inspection. This Mustang is back for the first year, I think, right? This Range Rover's back for a 2-week cleanup. Anytime we do a ceramic coating, we give you a complimentary 2-week wash after the coating is cured. And we're also coating the wheels. Originally, the owner couldn't find their wheel lock. They located that, so we're gonna do the wheels off package on that while it's here. And this SRT Grand Cherokee had some paint protection film installed on the whole front end. So the hood, the fenders, the full doors, and the rear quarter panel. So basically the entire sides of the car and the whole front of the car. And this CRV had our factory integrated remote start system. So you press the lock button 3 times on the factory remote and it starts the car. That one is ready to go home. Our loaner car. We show that to you guys every once in a while when it's here. If you haven't ever taken advantage of that, that's a free car we give you if we're doing paint protection film or ceramic coating on your car. You can take that, drive it around, or use it to get you home or whatever you need. So we don't have time to take you guys down to our North Pittsburgh location or over to the emergency shop this afternoon, but there's lots going on at both of those buildings too. That's what's going on in the shop here in LATROBE. Maybe next week we'll hit the other store. Thank you guys very much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed to us on YouTube, make sure you do that. We will see you next week.